So today we're going to do the pedigree of the Simpsons family, and the trait we're going to talk about is having spiky hair, which Bart, Lisa, Maggie, and Abraham have. So the first mode of inheritance we're going to talk about is autonomial dominant. So since Homer and Marge do not have the trait, they must be homozygous little a, because they did not show the trait. But that would be a problem, because since Bart, Lisa, and Maggie do have the trait, they must have at least one big A allele. But they couldn't have inherited this allele from either parents because they're all little a. So this mode of inheritance does not work. The second one is autonomial recessive. So this one, we would know that Bart, Lisa, and Maggie must be homozygous little a, and since Homer and Marge do not have the traits, they must be carriers. Therefore, homozygous big A, little a for both of them. Abraham, who does have the trait, must be little a, meaning that Mona, the mother, who does not show the trait, must be homozygous or heterozygous big A. Homer's brother, half-brother Herb, does not have the trait, but his mother, whom we don't know the name of, does not show the trait. So that would work. And then on this side, since Marge is a carrier, that means that either of her parents, Clancy or Jackie, must have at least one little a allele, meaning that either Clancy or Jackie must be at least heterozygous, and then we can say that Jackie is big A, since we don't know, for example. And then Marge's twin sister, Patty and Selma, do not have the trait, and they can either be big A, little a, or big A, doesn't really matter. Ling was adopted by Selma, so she does not, that does not really correlate. The third one is X-linked dominant. And in this case, it would not work because Abraham would have XA, X big A and Y, and Mona would have both X little a's. It would work for Homer because he would have X little a and Y, getting the Y from Abraham, the little a from Mona. But Marge would also be X little a, and therefore none of the children could get the X big A. Fourth one is X-linked recessive, and the problem with this one is that Abraham must be X little a and Y, and Mona must be X big A, X little a, or homozygous X big A. And Homer would be X big A Y, which would work. Marge would also be X big A, X little a. But the problem is that Lisa and Maggie could not get two X little a, because since Homer is X big A. And the last one is Y-linked, and that wouldn't work because Lisa and Maggie are girls, and therefore it cannot be Y-linked.